Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to give you not one, but two hidden AI stocks, infrastructure stocks that Wall Street hasn't caught on to yet. And they have massive upside potential still. I have been investing in this AI trade for a while now. I invest in all markets, and I still think there is so much to love about what we still have on the table in this AI sector. I invested into Nvidia, I invested into AMD, but these stocks have flown off the charts. What else is left? What other ways can we invest in this AI build out and find some gems, find some Nvidia type gains still left in this AI build out? Now, I do think we're still early innings, but it depends on where you're looking and where you're trying to get exposure. So, in this video, we're going to break down not one, but two of them for you. Make sure you guys are taking notes. Watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything we put out. We might even give you a bonus pick at some point later on in the video. Give the video a thumbs up right now. For as many people as watch, they watch these videos, they forget to hit the like button. It really does help us out. Drop your comments, share your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys down below. But we're going to get into it, and we're going to highlight quite a bit here about these two stocks. Okay. And as I mentioned to you before we get into this, we are not talking about the biggest opportunities being Nvidia and AMD right now. I still love those plays. It's not Microsoft, but instead, these are smaller infrastructure companies quietly powering the entire AI build out. And it's happening behind the scenes because everyone right now is focused on flashy AI applications. The real money is through the picks and shovels of the AI infrastructure. All right. So we're going to go into it. We're going to talk about two stocks. The first one that I really like is Celestica. And Celestica is a stock that has went on a really, really nice run. And I'm going to show you a chart here in a minute as well. It's ticker CLS. So it's went on a really nice run already. However, we're getting a really nice pullback on this stock. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. This is the daily. So Celestica back in early May 5th, set new all-time highs at 435. This stock is just shy of a $40 billion market cap. But I think this thing still has 5 to 10x potential left with this AI build out. We're getting a pullback right now. But Celestica literally is one of these household names because it finds itself in the middle of everything related to this AI build out. Okay, so if we look at what they specifically do, this company is one of the most important AI infrastructure suppliers in the market. They still think of, Celestica, a lot of people, as just another electronics manufacturing company. No, that is not what's happening anymore. That is outdated thinking. You got to think to the future. You got to think to right now. What's going on? What's actually happening? Celestica is becoming a major player in hyperscaler networking, AI server infrastructure, high-speed Ethernet switching, cloud connectivity systems, and liquid cooling infrastructure. They're literally doing all of this. And Celestica has huge exposure to 800G networking, 1.6T networking, hyperscaler AI deployments. These are all critical technologies for the next generation of AI clusters. And the company recently raised its 2026 outlook because AI demand just keeps accelerating. This is not a small trend. This is not an asset you should forget about. It's huge. And the AI world is moving from 400G to 800G to 1.6T networking. And Celestica is directly involved in this transition. It's happening everywhere. This matters because larger AI models requires so much more bandwidth and faster interconnects between GPU clusters. So without networking, AI simply doesn't scale. So we're finding these companies that, again, are allowing this build out to happen. Celestica, massive name, do not miss it. Now, the next one is Viavi. And Viavi is another beast. This thing just set new all-time highs, up over $60 on earnings. It too, getting a little bit of a pullback here. Why do I love this stock? Well, this is a fascinating one. and it's a much smaller market cap, 11.64 billion. So part of this AI build out, part of this is like the ever changing network testing and validating these high speed AI networks. So think about this logically. If hyperscalers are building massive AI infrastructure, they need to test all of these new systems and the performance of these systems. That's where Viavi comes in. They specialize in network testing, optical testing, AI data center validation, Ethernet performance testing. And the demand right now is exploding. And they're one of the biggest players that do this work. So Viavi, this is ticker VIAV, cannot be ignored. Their earnings just keep printing. I am going to continue to double down on this stock, Viavi and Celestica. I love them both moving forward. And I just think they have a tremendous runway, Now, one other, this is an ETF that I wanted to mention. This is kind of your bonus bet. And we're getting a pullback here. Okay. Is AIPO. This ETF gets you exposure to many of the big AI players and the power and energy players. GE Vernova, Constellation Energy, Bloom Energy, Vertiv, Eton, NVIDIA's in here. This ETF has served me exceptionally well this year. It's up like 40% still, even after this pullback year to date. And I would not ignore it. It's a great way to get exposure. So we're going to continue to deliver tons of great insight like this, guys. Make sure you guys do let us know you like this content by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. And we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.